Hi, this is INFINIX Smart 7 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So open first the Settings app, then tap to Personalization and click to the Wallpaper, Static, Online, Gallery, Photos from your device gallery, online wallpapers. You could use them if you will be connected to the internet, to mobile data or to the Wi-Fi. So select one from the wallpapers, tap to lock screen, and that's it. Configuration successful. So lock check, as you can see, that's so simple. Also, yet one more way how you could do that, just first hold home screen with your finger, tap to wallpapers icon, and by the same way you could use one from the gallery, default wallpapers or the online ones, then just tap to apply, select lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.